Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet ladies shawl designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet ladies shawl is a versatile garment or accessory made using crochet techniques designed to be worn draped over the shoulders. It combines both practical warmth and decorative elegance, often serving as a fashion statement as well as a functional wrap. Key features: shape triangular, most common, jumps beautifully over shoulders, rectangular or long scarf-like styles. Also circular or semicircular for a fuller, flowing look. Ear choices: lightweight cotton or lace ear for delicate airy shawls for summer or evening wear. Wool applique or acrylic yarn for cozy warm shawls for winter. Blended yarns with metallic or silk threads for elegant dressy shawls. Designs and patterns: lace or open work designs for feminine, decorative, often with floral or geometric motifs. Solid stitch shawls for warmer, chunkier for casual wear. East or finished with frings, peacock edging, shawls or scallops for extra details. Used and styling: worn casually over everyday outfits for added warmth. Draped elegantly at formal events like weddings, evening parties. Styled in different ways: over shoulders, wrapped around the neck like a scarf, or even tied at the front. Symbolism and appeal: a crochet ladies shawl represents craftsmanship, tradition, and artistry, often handmade with love and care. It is both functional, warmth, and modesty, and decorative, fashionable accessory. Many women treasure crochet shawls as heirlooms, passed down through generations. A crochet ladies shawl is a handcraft wrap combining comfort, style, and timeless beauty, making it a cherished piece in both everyday wear and special occasions. Here are some tips for crochet ladies shawls to help you with designs, styling, and even making them more special. Crochet and design tips: choose the right yarn. For summer shawls, go with cotton, bamboo, or lightweight blends. For winter shawls, choose wool, applique, or thicker acrylic yarn. For elegant evening wear, use silk blades or yarns with a little shimmer. Pick a comfortable shape: triangular for classic and easy to drap, rectangular slot for versatile, can be wrapped or built, circular or semicircular for dramatic and flowing. Try open work stitches, lacy stitches, shells, fans, pineapples, flat crochet. Make shawls light and decorative. Solid stitches like granny stitch, double crochet, puff stitch give warmth and structure. Add borders or edgings. A scalloped, peacock, or shell-edged gives a feminine, finished look. Rings or tassels add a bohemian or casual vibe. Play with colors. Use gradient or ombre yarn for effortless beauty. Solid neutrals like cream, black, and beige for timeless elegance. Bold colors for statement pieces. Styling tips: classic wrap. Simply lay it over your shoulders for a soft, romantic look. Wrap and pin. Wrap around and secure with a brush for formal events. Scarf styles: fold and wrap around your neck. For everyday wear, belted. Place it over your shoulders and chins at the waist with a belt for a chic modern touch. Layering: pair a lacy shawl over dresses or a chunky shawl over sweaters and coats. Extra touches, handmade details, and crochet flowers, appliques, or beads to personalize. Seasonal use, light air shawls for spring or summer. Warm, chunky shawls for autumn or winter. Gift idea, a handmade crochet shawl makes a meaningful, heartfelt present. When making or wearing a crochet ladies shawl, focus on your yarn choice, stitch styles, and versatile draping. That is what makes it both practical and elegant. Crochet making tips. Experiment with yarn thickness. Fine yarn equal elegant or lacy shawls. Medium weight yarn equal versatile everyday wraps. Chunky yarn equal cozy winter shawls. Use blocking for shape after finishing with block or stream ear shawls. This opens up lace stitches, even out tensions, and gives it a professional finish. Try multicolor blends. Reduced yarn create natural color shifts. Stripes or color block sections make the shawl more modern. Ombre yarn cakes works especially well for triangular shawls. Add functional elements. Sew on a small hidden button so you can fasten the shawls without a pin. Crochet a cord tight to keep it secure. Customize the size. A smaller slotty works like a scarf. A larger shawl doubles as a wrap, poncho, or even a light blanket. Styling and wearing tips. Evening elegance. Pair a lace shawl with a formal dress for a wedding or parties. Everyday casual. Or a chunky shawl chopped over jeans and a sweater. Boho style. Add a fringe or tassels and or it with maxi dresses or skirts. Layering. Use a neutral shawl over patterned clothes or a bright shawl over simple outfits. Travel essentials. A medium weight crochet shawl is perfect on airplanes, chilly evenings, or midnights. Care and longevity tips. Hand wash only. Most crochet shawls last longer if gently washed and laid flat to dry. Store properly. Fold and store flat. Avoid hanging so it doesn't stretch out. Refresh shape. If it loses form, lightly steam it to bring it back. Keep safe. Store delicate lace shawls wrapped in tissue paper to prevent snags. The secret to a perfect crochet lady shawl is choosing the right yarn, finishing carefully, locking, easing, and styling it with purpose, whether for warmth, elegance, or daily comfort. Advanced crochet tips. Mix stitches for texture. Combine simple stitches like double crochet, half double crochet with lace patterns like shells, fans, or clusters to give depth. Try alternating solid blocks and open work for a stylish breathable shawl. Experiment with edged, crochet, scalloped, peacock, or shell borders to make the shawl look professionally finished. Fringes or tassels at the edge add movement and bohemian charm. Incorporate beads or sequins. Add beads into lace patterns for evening wear or festive looks. Subtle metallic threads in the ear can make the shawl shimmer without adding weight. Styling and accessories tips. Layer with jackets or coats. Lighter shawls under a coat for winter warmth. Lacy shawl over a dress for elegance in spring or autumn. Comfortable shawl. A large triangle can be folded and worn as a poncho or scarf. Experiment with chopping styles over on shoulder, crossed in front or tied at the back. Color coordination. Neutral shawls are versatile for everyday wear. Bold, bright colors create a statement piece for special occasions. Ombre or gradient yarn adds subtle sophistication without complicated color changes. I thought today's ideas will help you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!